Rohit Sharma, the father. I mean, we've both discussed this as fathers. We both have one daughter. This is the most unreal experience in the world. Your experience of being a father so far?
It's been wonderful. Each and every moment, I remember how it's gone by. Since the day she was born till date, I remember each and every moment. As a sportsman, as a cricketer, I also know that I have to be away from her on most occasions. What do you say? Like it's very hard to say or think that when she first started crawl, I wasn't there. When she first started saying words, I wasn't there. When she first started walking, I wasn't there. So it's bit disappointing to miss all of that. But credit to all my wife to capture all that moment.
So
yeah, not see. You don't know when she's going to talk, but she's kept me in the loop every time, and I'm really thankful to have a wife like that, because she wants me to be part of everything, even though I'm not there. She's made sure that I experience each and everything, so I've not felt left out. Now, Myra gives the same love as she gives Ritika to me also.
Some days back, there was this photograph on social media where you were lying down and showing something to your daughter.
Yeah.
And it was such an adoring picture.
She's also involved in whatever I do, and she's now at that stage where she wants to explore everything. What is dad doing? What is mom doing? Why is this lying there? Why is this lying here? What is this? Let me check it out. She's at that phase now, so she's moving over everywhere and she's trying to explore. She loves the phone, which we are trying to keep her away from.
You will struggle, I can tell you.
I know that. We are trying our best to do that. But yes, so far I think we've done a good job in doing that. But yes, we do know that the phones and your iPads and your electronics are part of your life, so it will be around you. So she'll be exploring that.
And Ritika, I mean, you guys have been friends. She's been at grounds. Television has captured her more than anyone. We've seen the intensity. Talk about her.
No. I mean, I don't know. I mean, how much ever I talk, it's not going to be enough, because the kind of work she's done behind the scene, I would like to say that is tremendous. Because like I said with my daughter as well, to understand, that was our fear actually when she was born. That was my fear, not hers. My fear that when I come home, whether she'll be able to recognize me, whether she'll be able to relate. But hats off to Ritika, what she's done with her, and made sure that she understands that it's not two, it's three. Father is not here, but he's always there. So in her cot, she's kept my you get your accreditation card.
Yeah.
So she's hung it around the cot, so that every time she wakes up, she sees that photo.
Very nice.
And I've seen the videos also. Like, she's woken up and the first thing she's done, she's gone and kissed her father.
Very nice.
On the accreditation card, which was very sweet. And I can't thank my wife enough for that. That was all her idea to do it, and grateful to have a family.
And even at cricket grounds, Rohit, I mean, those natural reactions, one can really tell that here is somebody who is so very keen that, one shot and the reactions, the sadness, the happiness, everything comes together so well.
That's what I told Ritika, like, whether she'll like the stadiums. There's so much noise around, especially, when you're playing IPL, there's music and everything. But I said, doesn't matter if she likes it or not. This is part of her life. She's, your daughter. She has to come to the ground. She has to watch you play. And she has to clap also. I love it. I can't thank enough. And I'm really grateful.
Every day you open your newspapers, it's negativity, intolerance, problems, communal divide, disharmony. The one thing that unites us is what this man plays.
Absolutely.
Thank you so very much, Rohit. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely.
Thank you for speaking to me.